Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to prepare canned sweet corn. First, always drain the liquid from your can of corn completely. This step is crucial for better flavor and texture. Next, give the corn a quick rinse under cold water to wash away extra sodium. This simple action significantly enhances the natural sweetness of the corn. Now, you are ready to choose your preferred heating method, whether it's on the stovetop, in the microwave, or even in the oven. For stovetop heating, transfer your drained and rinsed corn into a saucepan. Set the heat to medium. To add richness and prevent sticking, incorporate 1 to 2 tablespoons of butter or a small splash of water. Stir the corn occasionally to ensure even heating. In about 5 to 7 minutes, your sweet corn will be perfectly warmed and ready to enjoy, offering a delightful side dish. If you prefer the microwave, place the corn in a microwave-safe dish and cover it. Heat for 2 to 3 minutes, stirring once halfway through for uniform warmth. For a slightly different texture, the oven is a great choice. Spread the corn evenly on a baking sheet. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 to 15 minutes, stirring once. Both methods offer quick and convenient ways to prepare your corn. To elevate the flavor of your sweet corn, simple seasonings work wonders. A dash of salt, a grind of black pepper, and even a tiny pinch of sugar can bring out its natural sweetness. Fresh herbs such as chopped parsley, chives, or cilantro add a bright, aromatic finish. For a richer taste, consider mixing in some shredded cheese, crispy bacon bits, or a squeeze of fresh lime juice. Experiment to find your favorite combination.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.